I got shot. Come now, please, please. Biggie, that always did a batty boy. You can't bring no badness to no man, bro. Real like you can't do no badness to no man. You can't bring no badness to no man. Talk about your TikTok. Talk about thieving. Talk about barrel. Talk about comedian. You're not a bad man. You're a comedian. You're a waste man. Batty boy, real dog. With the all mattrash. Remember say when Yannick got more behind you. Yannick thief. Yannick thief in a store and then lock her up. For burglary. For bomb buckler, shoplifting. You dirty thinking, redkin girl, we have war out the place. You look a mattrash. Eh? Me tell you already, people. If you no go Yannick, you no go Florida, Me tell you already, If you no go Yannick, you no go Florida. Me tell you that already. In order to go Florida, you have to go Yannick. Me tell you that already. Go Yannick, you go Florida. Go Yannick, you go Florida. Me tell you already. Mrs. Bean. Look at thinking nasty girl. Hey, girl, go find someone and not talk to me. Look at big thinking crutches, girl. Remember say, well, I dog them around with choppy already. In your hole. You look at thinking, girl. You're not a body. You're Florida mattress in a real life. Well, Florida know say you're a mattress. You right say, it burn you. It burn you. Look at batty boy. You come and look at come back off of me. Because I'm out there with a real dog. You're a waste man. Batty boy, fish dog. You're big and think no bumbo clot. Anytime you defend Joe, you can talk to me. Batty boy. You come and talk about. When you come for me, come on me here. Nobody not have time to come here. No man not come here. Nobody not have time for you. You done a lose already. The man them don't know say you're a clown. You just a call people name for fun. Nobody not pay no mind. Nobody not do nothing. Nobody not do nothing, world. No matter how you do, nobody not do nothing. Nobody not pay no mind. Nobody not trouble you. You done a lose already. You lose a friend. I want big old hole in your hand. And bigs get too much corn in your belly. You eat that. We don't need to argue with them. Nobody not argue with the batty boy. You done a lose already. Go slide for Joe. Everybody comment to people. Slide for Joe. Slide for Joe. Slide for Joe. We justice for Joe, people. Justice for Joe and his family. Batty boy, man, have him pit them off a live for. And you can't man go analyze him, man. Batty boy. Justice for Joe. Justice for Joe. Justice for Joe. Everybody comment. Slide for Joe. Slide for Joe. I want justice for youth and his family. Youth have 5 youth. And you make youth dead left in youth, them batty boy. Justice for Joe. Justice for Joe. Justice for Joe. Batty boy. Go defend Joe, batty boy. Them money, if you only wait, but how we hear the bomb clock, boy, yeah, defend gal, but you know, defend a friend. Where you can't go make dead. Eh? Remember say Joe did tell say my guy in bed. Remember say man family can't talk, Joe baby mother come and talk and say, bro, man in bed. And roll like drive and take him out of bed. Can man go kill him, Out of bed, roll like take him out of, Roll like take Joe out of bed, people. Joe in bed asleep, Joe in bed asleep. Joe asleep in bed and the man take you out of bed. After he take you out of bed, he can youth go kill him. You see a batty boy that them boy they are crosses people. Them boy they are batty boy. Gonna out them mother roll log and go defend the man. You can't you go make bro. If me I have a friend, are you dead? Your family all love me. Actually, people know you're going with fuck you, make people not like you. Tell the people the truth why people not like you. Come live and tell the people the truth and tell them why Joe family not like you, batty boy. Tell the people the reason why Joe family not like you because they know you sacrifice the little man. If you not want to, you can't man out in bed go make him man dead. Batty boy. Tell the people that you can't man out in bed go make him dead. Batty boy roll log. Name out your mother batty boy.